Hand and head? What the?
What, do you guys want to ride the train?
Oh, he ring the bell. One, two, three, yeah! Whee!
CooCoo Kids.
Guys, look where we're going. Fun Town.
Let's go. We're going to Fun Town. Okay, let's go. It says Fun Town.
You guys want to ride that? We're gonna look around. Come on. We will. Eloise.
Go, Jack.
Put your head.
Put your head in. Go the other way. Other way, like that. Go. Hi, Eloise. Jax,
Eloise,
go.
put your head.
Take your hat off. Okay. Here we go. Go.
Put your head in. Close, close.
Hand and head? What the?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll ride one.
What about a train?
Come on, do you guys want to ride the train? Yeah? Buying tickets for the train.
Yay! We're about to go on the Fun Town Express train. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay. Right here. We just got tickets. You kids ready? Yeah? Okay. Come on, kids.
Come on. You see the front? I'll sit behind you guys. Get on the train. You guys want to sit together, right? In the cart? Eloise, go sit with Jack. Go sit with Jack. Oh, you can sit with Jack? Okay. No, you can't. Only two. Here.
No.
Oh, Eloise is back here. Back here. You guys ready? Jax, you ready?
Oh, we're going. There we go. Okay. You ready? Choo choo. Jack goes down. Oh, he ring the bell. Yeah. What the? He ring the bell. Yeah, it's gas. We're riding the train. I can't get everybody. This is not working. This is not working. Oh, Jack, you're going tunnel.
Look at the animals. Look at the animals.
You're going tunnel, Eloise.
Oh, look at tunnel. Scary? What is it? What is it? It is a bear. What is that? It's a doggy. Look at the animals. Look at the animals. Flamingo, parrot, Parrot. A parrot. Toucan. Parrot. Cockatoo. Parrot. A parrot. A leaves.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you did it. You did it.
We're back at the train station. Hey! We made it! Careful, careful, careful. Okay, go follow Jax. That's good. Thank you. You know the car, Eloise?
Right car?
Jax, you ride it? Yeah?
Okay.
Wait, up. Okay, pick one. You want to see the Eloise?
Yes, let's go! 1, 2, 3, yay! Whee! Whoa! Cool! Dude, Jax is turning. Eloise got turned with Jax.
Yay, all done! Alright, go slowly. Wait for Jax. Slowly. Did you guys have fun? Yeah. Sweet. Oh! Jax, did you have fun? Yeah? What was your favorite? You playing? Eloise, did you have fun? What was your favorite part? Playground?
Thank you for watching CooCoo Kids. Subscribe.